So hello everyone. This is my presentation over the water crisis over my water crisis solution. So the problem that we came up with, and we realized, was that people who don't recycle plastic water bottles and instead litter them contribute greatly to the world's pollution problem, as well as having a huge environmental impact. And especially this impact contributes towards the dangers to sea life. This is kind of ironic. If you looked at when I was looking for the photo below, I found a bunch of water bottles with pictures of sea life printed on them. Like, if you like sea life so much, why don't you just, help sea life instead of just buying water bottles with them on them? Seems kind of weird to me, but whatever. Now on to the statistics. About 50% of plastic is used just once and thrown away. This is crazy. Like, people should reuse the plastics more often, not just use it once and throw it away. That's absurd to me. 100.7 billion plastic beverage bottles were sold in the U.S. in 2014, with 315 bottles per person. 57% of these units were plastic water bottles. 57.3 million were sold in the 2014. I cannot talk. And this is up from 3.8 billion plastic water bottles sold in 1996, which is the earliest year for available data. And bottled water requires about 6 times as much water per bottle than there actually is in the container. So I guess there's some like weird hydroelectric stuff going on, but kind of weird to me. And then 14% of all litter comes from beverage containers. So we would be greatly reducing the amount of litter and pollution if we got rid of beverage from containers that were easily recycled, it was easy to throw away on the side of the road and not really care about. This is a big deal. Plastic water bottle pollution is a big deal. Think twice before you throw a bottle of water to the side of the road or even in a trash can. So our team's extraordinary viewpoint and idea. We thought if we generally use plastic water bottles less often and instead place more water fountains around the world, the effect of this problem can be greatly reduced. Potential challenges? There are a lot of potential challenges. It might be difficult to stop people from continuing their potential lifelong habit. They might be used to using plastic water bottles. They'd be like, who are you to say I can't? Also, people might not care about the sea life, which is crazy to me because sea life is amazing. But some people I know dislike all forms of sea life. They find it disgusting and they don't care at all. If we end up installing more plastic water fountains, if we take billions or at least millions of dollars, so that's a lot of money. And as college freshmen, we don't exactly have that sort of money lying around in our friend's, dresser or something. So we have to earn it. And hopefully we can earn it by talking to you guys and earning it from you. Lastly, spread of disease is more likely to happen if these are installed. More likely to happen I think that's what I said. Just the idea of thousands of people just drinking from the same water fountain grosses me out greatly. Ways to overcome these aforementioned problems? A sanitation system? Maybe sanitizing wipes or even just hot water and clean sponge. People might want to use their water fountains. People might not want to use these water fountains over their own bottles. Maybe we can make them if we pay them $1 each time you drink from this fountain. Not in succession, obviously, because that could add up to a lot, and they would just be drinking over and over again, which would be kind of crazy. But maybe we could educate them about the harm from using the bottles, or maybe even we could provide a secondary incentive for recycling these bottles. The final challenge we need to overcome: cost. Comes down to you. Do you want a future with water bottles at the cost of dead sea life that your 3-year-old child sees? Or do you want water fountains? The choice is yours. In conclusion, do you want to avoid your children crying? Are you willing to simply get rid of a way of drinking in return for the reduction of approximately 17% of the world's trash? Are you up for a change that might ultimately extend the longevity of the human race? If you said yes to any of the above questions, fund us, please. Thank you.